Hey everyone, check out this amazing Hotodeal cordless neck and shoulder massager. It features a larger massage area to provide soothing relief right at home. Enjoy the benefits of a simulated professional shiatsu massage with deep-kneading. The convenient hands-free design features a back-style buckle for a hassle-free experience. Intelligent heat therapy delivers deep relaxation to your sore muscles. You can easily switch between dual modes for your personalized comfort. The long-lasting battery and Type-C charging make it perfect for on-the-go relaxation. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.